We're going to start our journey here on Calle Manuel Rodriguez Manolete.
Manolete?
Right, been practicing all day.
Yeah, in Torreta 3.
In Torreta 3, yeah, it's just opposite where we are. We've just been to the pole, and our pole's just over there, a couple of 100 yards away. And we're just behind those trees over there. And we'll show you that on the drone. Okay, we're recording and we're setting off from Calle Manuel Rodriguez Manolete. There we go. Have you got your power on?
Have you?
I have now. I'm going to go very slowly though.
Well, I won't put mine on then.
These branches are a bit like that, but I think I'll be
duck.
alright. It's going to take my helmet off. Oh, oh. So this is our little road that goes to Bar Pat, and it continues to the Pink Lake. And it's a lovely day today. What's the temperature today, do we know?
It's going to be about 32, but feels like 38.
Really? Feels like 38?
Yeah.
And it's going to be humid then today. It's very pleasant at the moment, but it is warm. There's another tree.
Duck.
Duck.
Duck,
Here we
duck.
go. Ooh. Ooh. And then just on here, another tree. Bang. They don't think about cyclists, do they, at council, when they come round cutting trees?
I'm glad you're on the inside.
You're smaller than me, you should go on the inside.
Oh.
And just on his little shop, in the little, it's a little Asian Chinese shop. Sells everything, doesn't he? Bakes bread, he bakes his own bread. And there's that silly little thing from years ago, just behind this, on the right-hand side. They call the La Cara, you know all about it, don't you?
It's a La Caracola.
La Caracola.
Yeah.
I know it was designed by a Japanese businessman.
So he was an architect.
But they were a prize crash, weren't they?
I think because of the price crash in 2008.
Yeah.
Put a stop to work.
It never got finished.
It was going to be a spa.
There were going to be a spa, wasn't it? A great tourist attraction by the Pink Lake. We've done it we've featured it on a video before that you might remember. This is that shop.
Supermarket Wang.
By the zebra crossing. Supermarket Wang. And yeah, as we come round this corner now, there's a few bars on here on the right hand side, which are very nice.
And this is on a bus route.
Yeah, this is on the bus route. It's on the B Torreta route, isn't it? And I think the buses are about every 40 minutes. Let's just have a quick look down here at the what we were talking about. That's where the La Caraca. Is it La Caraca?
Caracola. Means large shell or conch.
Large shell or
Conch.
conch. What's a conch?
A large shell.
Oh, really? A conker?
It's been on fire a few times.
Yeah. Quite recently, actually, when we were here last, it was on fire, wasn't it? Okay, so we're getting back to the main road.
A garage.
Yeah, there's a garage, car sales. And repairs, most likely. Is it Habaneros?
Habaneros cars.
Habaneros cars.
Casa Mama.
And then on the right there, we've got the first restaurant down here, Casa Mama's, which has been here for a long time. Really nice restaurant. That's new, isn't it?
That's new. What's that? Children. Is it for children? A little school?
Oh yeah, it could be, yeah. Academy. Looks like a nursery. So there we are, little nursery.
Active in English as well.
Yeah. And then we've got the Oasis bar here. It's another Oasis.
And then further on the road, there's Asiatico, which is a Chinese restaurant. And then we've got Restaurant Sofia at the end, on the corner.
Restaurant Sofia, yeah. But today, we're going to the Mezón Galea to try out their... it's quite early in the morning. I fancy a bit of a breakfast, so we'll go there and we'll see what it's like and we'll let you know.
Yeah, come on then.
Right, come on.
We decided on a couple of tuna toasties, and we also wanted to try the chips. And they did not disappoint. Real homemade chips, very tasty. We called back later that day to try their Friday fish and chips. They were served with a generous salad, mushy peas and a tartar sauce. Very nice indeed, and it all came with a good, friendly service.
Hear about Julie Andrews?
What about Julie Andrews?
She wants to sign a new contract.
For what?
Rimmel.
Why?
She says there's too much colour in the lipsticks. They're always breaking and they make her breath smell.
How come?
I don't know. He just won't sign it. In a quote she said, "Super colour fragile lipstick gives me halitosis."
Maybe she should try Maybelline.
Maybe. Should. Oh, it's looking rather pink today, this time of day. And we can see the salt. Got a few trees down. Still a bit hazy today. Hot and hazy.
Nice here, isn't
I
it?
could stop here all day.
What would you eat?
It's a nice pint as well.
Mahu.
Mau.
Anyway, on that note, it's time to wrap the video. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. It's a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. But don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3,
2, 1.
Bing.
Adios.